Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell here at Snow Joe, and today we're going to be unboxing this 2-in-1 sprayer and foam cannon from AQUA JOE. Since this is a 2-in-1, it's got a quick connect up here. That way you can attach your foaming end, just pull this sleeve back to unlock it. Now we can attach a regular spray nozzle to it. You just adjust this guy to control how much water you want coming out. The tip of the spray nozzle is also adjustable, so you can spin it to adjust your angle. Push the whole trigger in to lock it, just press that to release it. And you can fill your detergent bottle with whatever soap you like. Since this guy is hose powered, you don't need a pressure washer. You can just take a regular garden hose and screw it into the bottom here. And there you go. That's all you need to do. Just foam it up and rinse it off. So now that you know what you can do with this thing, go clean up.